Happy Sunday, y'all. Church was really, really good today. So, left church. We went to Albertsons. Albertsons the only, well, not the only place to sell the peanuts I like, but they're the only, well, they're cheaper and they're fresh. I've gotten them from other places and they stale. So, but lately I've been getting them, and even the ones like, here's the bag of them. They made it from a company out of Dallas, but even the ones that look like they're not, when you get in the inside of them, they're too dark. I mean, they roasted too much. I don't know what that is. I hope I don't have to change brands. Anyway, let's get started. I don't have very much. So my son loved popcorn, but we trying to eat healthier and smarter. So we got the Smart Pop. I got me some gloves. I got some, but I wanted some more. I need to do some extensive cleaning. So I need some thicker gloves. So these, they say non-slip. So hopefully these will work. Wesson, y'all. Wesson has a new look. Look, it looks cheap. It's like the great value. But I mean the 48 ounces was $4.95 and the gallon was what I paid for this, $10.98. So I was like, let me just go ahead and get the gallon. I don't, well, I prefer Wesson, Mazola, or Crisco. Okay, I'm for lunch today. I'm making sloppy joes, and the reason why I'm making this for lunch is because my son can eat it for lunch tomorrow also, and I'm frying fish tonight for dinner. So I'm also making potato salad. So since I'm making potato salad with the fish today, I'm gonna fix enough potato, because I don't like cooking on Monday, but I'll make enough potato salad when I come home. Well, I'm gonna season this chicken tonight, and I'm gonna have my son to take it out, and I'm gonna run home and put it in the oven tomorrow to have oven barbecue chicken with the potato salad, and then I do green beans tomorrow. So I don't really like to do a lot of cooking on Mondays. Y'all, turn. Y'all, I've gotten this as cheap as $3. Look how much this chicken is. $8.18. I need to hurry up on my camera about that. So I got some French's mustard, my favorite. I got some orange sauce because this week, one day, I'm going to do fried rice. And I like to do my chicken with the orange sauce. But instead of doing the chicken, I'm not sure if I'm going to do the breast or not. Cut them up. But I found these chicken wings by Tenderbird. They're ready to cook. Y'all, this 3-pound bag was $5. That's actually cheap. Because a 10-pound bag at Sam's right now, almost $40. So I started to get more. I'm sorry. This is a 3-pound bag. So 12 pounds will be $20. I'm going to go back and get some more of this. I am. But I wanted to try them first. They say no hormones or steroids added. So I'm going to try them this week. If they're good, I'm going to get about 4 or 5 more bags of them. But that's what I'm shopping on Sunday for the weeks now, because food is too expensive. So I got sweet relish because I wasn't sure if I had any left. So for my rice this week, I got peas. I got the seasoning blend because with my dinner, with my lunch I'm getting ready to make, I like to put seasoning blend in my well, really I usually just do onion, but I'm put that in my sloppy joes. And I got my carrots. So these two I couldn't find them together, but that's going in my fried rice. I'm making a banana cake with the pecans and the what you call it, y'all? I'm sorry, cream cheese icing. And it didn't have Domino sugar at all in any form. In a 2-pound bag, and a 1-pound bag, and in the 1-pound box, and any of it. I got cabbage, y'all. This cabbage was 82 cents a pound. I'm like, oh my goodness, but I need it. And y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. But anyway, hold on, I'm gonna do this later. So I got my apples. I only got 3 because they didn't look very good today. And I told y'all about the peanuts. But let me tell y'all about this. So tell me, this has happened to me before, and I found out about it when I was getting ready to check out. So today was a tithing day, and I was like, Lord, is this one of my ways of blessings overflowing? I don't know how I feel about it, but it wasn't my fault, right? So check this out. I was talking to the guy, and I told him, I said, wow, I remember chicken breast being 99 cents a pound. He said, yeah, I was just talking to a guy today. He bought 1 pound of chicken breast for 5 something. And so I guess that's what was on his mind when he rang this up. So look, chicken breast. Can y'all see? Oh God, I hate when it does that. Can y'all see? Boneless, skinless chicken breast. 2 point whatever pound. But you see the price, $8.52. Y'all, remember what I told y'all I'm cooking? I'm frying fish. 2 pounds of this fish would have been, let's see, $8.99, so 9.18. 2 pounds, this would have been $20. But he rang it up as chicken breast. I don't know, I don't think it was intentional. We were talking about chicken breast when he rang it up. But this is actually fresh catfish fillet. All right, y'all, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Like I said, sometimes when you... Oh, our pastor gave us a challenge today. And it's something I do anyway. But this is a challenge, and I want to challenge all of my subscribers. Welcome all of my subscribers. If you're not subscribed and you come over to check out my videos, come on over and join. It's all love over here. I'm going to start going live at sometime real soon. I just want to spread good news. I want to just talk about things in the workplace, like, you know, what we could do better on our jobs, what we could do better in our communities, how we can make a difference in the world. Dr. David Jeremiah this morning was talking about letting your light shine. Y'all know that's my ministry here on YouTube. Let my light shine for real. But anyway, y'all, so I'm saying that I talked too much. Now I forgot what I was about to say. But anyway, it's all love over here. Welcome all my new subscribers. Join if you see something you like. Ask any type of questions that you have. Anything you have a question about, feel free. It's all much love, y'all. If I come back tomorrow morning in the car, if I can remember what I was getting ready to talk about because I forgot, I'm sorry. Much love. Bye.